इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री बेसिकली आज हमारा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो है दैट इज़ अबाउट द इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री। और डेफिनेशन इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री की है कि द स्टडी ऑफ सोर्सेज, रिएक्शन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ केमिकल स्पीशीज़ इन वाटर, सॉइल एंड एयर environment is termed as environmental chemistry. Basically environmental, under the heading of environmental chemistry we will discuss the different type of the chemical species which are directly or indirectly affects our environment, and under this heading we will also discuss about the sources of these chemical species and the chemical reactions which are responsible to convert these chemical species from primary form to secondary or tertiary, and also their way of transportation, that how these are transported in our environment and how these affect the different different parts of our environment. And these all things are discussed in the environmental chemistry. Basically environmental chemistry is further divided in the different type according to the different type of the pollution. It will affect our water, soil and air environment, which are which we will detail discussed in this chapter. Next is about the environmental science. Basically environmental science is a complete different or a separate branch of science. So we can define this like a branch of science in which we study about earth, air, living environment and the effect of technology on it is called as environmental science. And environmental science में ही फिर हम डिस्कस करेंगे the different factors which affects our which are affecting our environment. The environment is affected by the following three factors. First one is the topographic factors, which is also called as the geological factors, and second one is the climatic factors, which is related with climate. As different areas have different climates, so different climatic factors are also responsible to affect our environment. And the third one is edaphic factors or soil related factors. Soil related factor mean the different type of the minerals and the earth crust sources, rocks, etc. All these are discussed under the heading of edaphic factors. Basically any environment consists of four parts. First one is the lithosphere, second one is the biosphere, third one is the hydrosphere and the fourth one is atmosphere. Now first of all about the lithosphere. In lithosphere we will discuss about the mantle of earth, about the earth crust, in which we will discuss about the different type of the mineral sources and different types of the rocks, different type of the salts present on the main outer cover of the soil जो है उसको हम lithosphere में discuss करेंगे. Then about the biosphere. Biosphere is basically this is the part of environment in which the living organisms exist, and basically biosphere में हम discuss करते हैं कि interaction between the living and non-living part of environment with each other. For example, if we live in some sort of environment like human being के इर्द गिर्द जितनी भी उसकी surrounding है, जिसमें air आ जाता है, water आ जाता है, soil आ जाती है, plants आ जाते हैं, ये सारे के सारे जो factors हैं, इन फैक्टर का इंटरेक्शन जो है वो किसी भी लिविंग बीइंग के साथ, उसको हम अंडर द हेडिंग ऑफ बायोस्फीयर जो है डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में. Then about the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, as from name indicate, word hydro is originated from water. So hydrosphere is a part of environment in which we discussed about the water, different sources of water and about the utilization of water. That what are the different sources of water in which we will discuss about the rivers, lakes, oceans, glaciers, and their utilization in our environment. And the fourth one part of the environment is the atmosphere, which is very important part of environment. Atmosphere, which consists of basically this is the envelope of gases which are present around our environment, and it consists of the different type of the gases which are necessary for the existence of the life. For example, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases which are even present in trace amount. We will discuss this under the heading of atmosphere.